everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is December 9th and I've got my friend Colin here from Riven Raven Workshop. He's one of our handmade market vendors for our upcoming handmade market on October 12th, 10 to 4 here at the shop. And so we're highlighting all of our vendors between now and the market. And Colin has joined us and he's going to show us some of the things that he's made recently and things that he's going to be bringing to the market for us.
Oh yeah. Hello, I am Colin of Riven Raven Workshop, a woodworker based in Durham, but I work all over the Triangle. And I make everything from toys and puzzles to small pieces of furniture, sculpture, art, you name it, I've probably made it. Everything from this little mouse on the leaf to you know, these nice toys. It's all handmade. I made this quilt square, which is the Carolina Star. This nice little leaf bowl. I even hand carved the individual propellers myself. Or this little barn and set. And then my two items for the giveaway are going to be this little bunny puzzle. And they do come apart. And it's nice because each piece is its own little toy. And then this sign, which I wrote myself, may your inbox be empty, or your Wi-Fi be strong and your inbox be empty. A blessing for us all.
Yeah, we have one of those at my house, and it works very well for most of the people at my house. So we love having Colin with us, and he also does commissions. So if you have an idea of something that you'd like, you can come and talk to him about it during the handmade market. I will also put a link to find him online in the description of today's video if you are not local and you'd still like to reach out.
I do ship?
Yep. So thank you for being with us. I'm always glad when the vendors come because they can share their things much better than I can. And I appreciate the giveaways. Of course, to get involved in one of the giveaways, all you need to do is comment where you're seeing today's video. We do show the video on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So if you want to increase your chances, you can comment on all three places, and we'll be drawing winners, I think, coming up pretty soon. We're going to draw every 10 vendors. So I think we're at about vendor 7 or 8. So it'll probably be just later this week that we'll be drawing winners for the first round of giveaways. And in fabric today, we have the Citron Breeze Strip Set. We use these blue, green, and yellow strips to make our sample of the Tarheel State by Brook Stambersky. And this is the pattern, and there is the quilt. So I made that quilt a couple weeks ago to help us celebrate the All Carolina Shop Hop. And it's made with just this strip set, background fabric, and then of course this pattern. So if you like the North Carolina quilt, you can make one that looks just like mine. I just picked one color for the background, but you could also do it very scrappy or choose your own backgrounds. Low volume would be very pretty. So just our idea for today for you. And that's what we've got. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.